Gadsden County in northeastern North Carolina until 4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Halifax, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Conway around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mudcastle, Milwaukee, Boone's Crossroads, Pleasant Grove, George, Petrosi, Creeksville, Lasker, Jackson, and Galatia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. for northeastern North Carolina. The National Weather Service